Welcome to our video introducing the GylSun 5 sets cake boxes 10 by 10 by 5 inches with cake boards bakery boxes for cakes. This product is perfect for those in the bakery industry or for anyone who loves to bake and wants to showcase their creations in a professional and stylish manner. Let's start with the key features of this product. Firstly, the size of the cake boxes and boards is L10xW10x 5 inches, providing ample space for cakes of various sizes. Each set also includes 10 label stickers, allowing you to easily customize and label your cakes. When it comes to packaging options, you have the choice between 3 sets and 5 sets of boxes and boards. This ensures that you have the flexibility to choose the quantity that best suits your needs. One of the standout features of these cake boxes and boards is their optimized surface. The materials used in their construction are designed to prevent water and oil from seeping through. This means that even on rainy days, you can rest assured that your cakes will remain dry and protected. Quality is of utmost importance, especially when it comes to food-related products. The GylSun cake boxes and boards are made from professional food-grade materials, specifically high-quality white cardstock. Not only are they functional, but they are also visually appealing, adding a touch of elegance to your cakes. Customer satisfaction is a top priority for us. If you have any questions or encounter any issues with your purchase, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. We are dedicated to providing you with prompt and helpful answers and solutions. Before making a purchase, it's important to note that this product is designed for use in the US. If you are located internationally, please check the compatibility and ensure that you have the necessary adapters or converters to use this product in your country. Now, let's take a look at the product information. The ASIN for this item is B0BM9DWCGX. It has received positive feedback from customers, with an average rating of 4.2 out of 5 stars. In terms of popularity, it ranks at number 5210 in the industrial and scientific category and number 91 in bakery takeout containers. It was first made available on November 14, 2022. Thank you for watching our video introducing the GylSun 5 sets cake boxes 10 by 10 by 5 inches with cake boards bakery boxes for cakes. If you have any further questions or would like to make a purchase, please visit the provided short link.